You look amazing.
Thank you.
What is this?
Who is this cat, you traitor?
Don't worry, my love. She's my personal writer.
Sorry, darling. I thought you were cheating on me with her. I am his new writer, and there is no love relationship between us. I'm so sorry. I'll let you finish your work.
He almost discovered us.
We tricked her again.
Come closer. Let me kiss you. We will take all her money and run away. To follow the rest of the episode, subscribe to the channel and like the video.